Today we will understand that as artists make art about nature, they sketch to explore ideas and plan artworks, compare and contrast observational drawings of flowers, and create sketches that reflect careful study of plants, flowers, or other natural objects and their details. Materials: 9x12 white drawing paper, pencils, markers, and crayons. Many artists make sketches to record what they observe. As they move their drawing instrument on the page, they feel the edges of the shapes they see with their eyes. There are many ways to get ideas for an artwork. Many artists get ideas by observing things in nature. To create the artwork in this image, Priscilla Susan Faulkner Bury observed the soft curves of flower petals and leaves. How does she suggest that the blossoms are heavy? Did she use sharp angles or soft curves to depict the petals and leaves? When artists draw from observation, they often make sketches. A sketch is often a drawing an artist makes to plan an artwork. Artists also make sketches to record and remember things they see. Artists create many of their sketches quickly. Most sketches never become finished artworks. Rather, they are made to record an idea, just as you make written notes to remember ideas. Some artists combine sketches with written notes. The Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci created this sketchbook about 500 years ago. When he looked to nature, he sketched rivers, clouds, animals, and flowers. Drawings from his sketchbooks are shown here. Leonardo da Vinci kept sketchbooks that comprised 13,000 pages of notes and drawings such as these flowers. Do you think he sketched these studies of flowers quickly or slowly? Sketches can be fun. You can practice sketching indoors or outdoors at home or in the park. The more you practice sketching, the more you discover about your visual world. Studio time. Nature sketches. You can make sketches to explore ideas about nature. Try drawing with pencils, markers, and crayons and compare differences in the line qualities they produce. Try sketching a favorite tree, some plants, or a cluster of leaves. If you work in your classroom, you also might sketch a potted plant.